kilometers from the Eldoret where he had disappeared. He too was linked to the ICC cases. D. Journalist John Kitui was allegedly killed for his reporting on the death of a witness in the ICC proceedings. E. Journalist Walter Osapiri Barasa and Philip Kipkoech Bet, alias Kipsengera, Nigeria, both wanted by the Hague-based International Criminal Court for interfering with witnesses. Their whereabouts remain unknown to date. F. ICC witnesses like John Kang'ethe disappeared in 2008. George Dhuo died in 2013. Bernard Kimeli died in 2011. Charles Ndungu Wagacha, Naftali Irungu, Anthony Mwenje, Joroge Gichere, Timothy Mburu Gatira, Njuguna Gitao Njuguna, among other ICC witnesses who disappeared and later died under mysterious circumstances. G. Then there is the lawyer Paul Ndungu, the last of the ICC witnesses who died last September, probably driving the final nail in the coffin of the ICC case. H. Finally, there is Ms. Chris Musando, the IBC IT manager, who was tortured and murdered days to the 2017 election. I cannot finish without mentioning my late friend, Jacob Juma, who was found shot dead in Ngong Highway, and whose to date his death has not been properly concluded. Jacob Juma, before he was killed, had stated those who wanted him dead. 11. As a party, we demand an immediate end to the selective and vindictive process Ruto was embarked on with regard to disappearances and extrajudicial executions. Instead, we demand a transparent, professional, and inclusive public inquest to assist the country and families determine the fate or whereabouts of members who disappeared or died under unclear circumstances, including the ICC witnesses and election officials. 12. Finally, the issue of raising of taxes. Despite the campaigns, both Azimio and Kenya Kwanza made promises to Kenyans. During the campaigns, both Azimio and Kenya Kwanza made promises to Kenyans. On our part, we made it clear that they would realize the promises we made without increasing tax burden on Kenyans. It remains our position that Kenyans cannot afford and should not be asked to pay extra taxes for the older regime to realize the outlandish and unrealistic promises it is pursuing. We wish to remind the older regime that we have been here before. When NAC took over power in 2003, the economy was worse off than what UDA has inherited from Jubilee. But we were able to put the country back on track, including free primary education, without raising taxes.